Welcome to Arm Technologies KSA. Arm Technologies KSA has more than a century of combined experience. The top suppliers of industrial automation. From a variety of industries and over 6 nations of service. Enables clients lower operating costs while improving industrial productivity. Arm Technologies KSA use robotics automation.
Industrial automation and robotics are the use of computers, control systems and information technology to handle industrial processes and machinery, replacing manual process and improving efficiency, speed, quality and performance.
Robotic welding. Arc welding robots. MIG welding robots. Painting robot. Water bottle handling, palletizing. Palletizing robot. Machine tending.
Arm Technologies KSA, the new golden standard in industrial robotics and machine services. Seek to offer its clients the best automation and robotics solutions, customized projects that satisfy the needs of the community and the customer.